is Regalia, and this is the best view you can get here in Kuala Lumpur.
Hello and welcome back to AliouTV. Today we will witness the best skyline view of Kuala Lumpur from Regalia Residence and Suites. We are heading to the infinity pool.
Yes, so this is Regalia, and this is the best view you can get here in Kuala Lumpur. Just look at the skyline. Yeah, the skyline. This is entire Kuala Lumpur. There's not a lot of people here actually right now here because of the COVID and all. So foreigners are not allowed to enter Malaysia. But yeah, people who are still in here, living here, working here, studying here, they can come enjoy this skyline.
The skies are clear and we can see as far as Genting Highlands. This video is a big test for the iPhone 12 Pro Max because I wanted to see how well the camera has improved for the night mode, and so far what I'm seeing, this is better than the 11 Pro Max. If you are enjoying these views, please do subscribe, share, comment and like.
This is Rice, the swim master.
So how can you describe this view?
$1 million.
$1 million view.
So all I can do is to watch him float because I can't do it myself.
A big fat clap for this view. They got a bar near the swimming pool, but currently it's kinda empty. Time to have dinner at Pak Punjab Restaurant in Chow Kit.
We decide later.
Okay.
We order first, so they can cook for us. Alright, I take this one beef, and then mutton you order over there. Anything else you want for me?
Delicious food all around. This is called food porn. Good morning. This is the opposite side of the swimming pool, and yes, we have quite a view from this angle as well. KL Daytime Skyline. This is what we have been seeing all night long. Now we are about to go back to Cyberjaya, and that is Merdeka Tower. Once finished, it will be one of the tallest towers in the world. Check out the playlist, you will find more videos that you would love.